Our liver is a vital organ with over 500 functions essential for overall health. It acts as a filter, processing nutrients from food, removing toxins, and producing substances like bile for digestion and clotting factors for blood. The liver also plays a key role in energy storage, hormone regulation, and fighting infections. And do you know that we can do a lot better for our liver health if we take care of these small things in our diet? Stay tuned. If you add coffee to your diet, it has been found that moderate coffee consumption, particularly 3 to 4 cups a day, is associated with a reduced risk of liver diseases and may even slow down their progression. Oatmeal, particularly when made with whole oats and without added sugars, can be beneficial for liver health. It's good source of fiber and it also aids digestion and prevents constipation. Nuts like walnuts, almonds, and others, rich in healthy fats, vitamin E, and antioxidants, can help protect against and even improve conditions like fatty liver disease. Our humble herb used in our kitchens, that is turmeric, particularly its active compound called curcumin, is often cited for its potential benefits to liver health, primarily due to its anti inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Omega 3 fatty acids. Research suggests that supplements with omega 3 fatty acids may benefit those with NAFLD, that is non alcoholic fatty liver disease, by reducing the liver fat, boosting protective HDL, that is the high density lipoproteins cholesterol, which is healthy cholesterol, and lowering triglyceride levels. Garlic can be beneficial for liver health due to its antioxidant and anti inflammatory properties. It contains compounds like allicin and selenium, which can help stimulate liver enzymes and promote detoxification. Eating spinach specifically lowered the risk of NAFLD, that is non alcoholic fatty liver disease, possibly due to the nitrate and polyphenol content. It also contains a good amount of fiber as well as good amount of antioxidants, which are very good friends of your liver and can help you keep your liver healthy. That's all for our video today on liver health. And till we meet again, stay blessed, stay very well informed, and live life more. And yes, if you really liked this video, please do share it with others so that they can also get benefited. This is your friend in health, Dr. Sandeep Jassal, signing off for now. Bye bye.